Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Maya, your ally in the fight for peak natural health. Today, we're not just making a recipe, we're unlocking an ancient secret, a disease-defying, hormone-boosting elixir centered around one of nature's most overlooked powerhouses, the pumpkin. For too long, men have been missing out on this incredible superfood, letting their vitality slip and their prostate health become vulnerable. Stop relying on expensive, ineffective supplements. This simple, vibrant recipe is the ultimate formula for male longevity and reproductive wellness, guaranteed to help you conquer fatigue and feel like your younger self again. This isn't just about nutrition. It's about reclaiming your power and achieving optimal male performance. The heart of the matter, the mighty pumpkin, a piece of fresh pumpkin. We begin with a substantial piece of fresh pumpkin. The first step is crucial. Meticulously peel the pumpkin from its inner fibers and remove the hard outer peel. This effort is minimal, but the reward is immense. We are isolating the dense, orange flesh, a treasure trove of nutrients specifically targeted at men's health challenges. Pumpkin flesh, the foundation of vitality. The orange flesh itself is highly beneficial for men's health due to its rich nutrient content, setting the stage for total body transformation. Prostate Health Guardian. Pumpkins are loaded with antioxidants that support prostate health, working synergistically with the seeds to fortify your defenses. Cardiovascular powerhouse. Rich in potassium and potent antioxidants, the pumpkin helps to effectively regulate blood pressure and significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, making it crucial for cardiovascular health. Immune and energy enhancement. As a massive source of vitamin A and C, this ingredient dramatically boosts immune function and provides a sustained natural energy boost, allowing you to conquer daily fatigue. Metabolic and weight management. Being low in calories and exceptionally high in fiber, pumpkin supports healthy digestion and is an excellent tool for effective weight control and gut health. The true treasure. Do not throw away the pumpkin seeds. This is the most critical mistake people make. Save the pumpkin seeds. They are the ultimate powerhouse for male hormonal health. Pumpkin seeds, the hormonal and fertility game changer. The small, potent pumpkin seeds are a non-negotiable part of this elixir, offering direct, profound benefits. Prostate Fortress. They are famously rich in bioavailable zinc, the single most important mineral for maintaining prostate health, and may actively work to reduce the risk of prostate enlargement. This is non-negotiable prostate protection. Natural testosterone restoration. The combined zinc and magnesium in the seeds directly aid natural testosterone production, which is absolutely essential for reproductive health, libido, and muscle maintenance. This is your secret to hormonal balance. Advanced cardiovascular health. Packed with healthy unsaturated fats, antioxidants, and magnesium, they work to improve cholesterol profiles and precisely regulate blood pressure, actively supporting cardiovascular wellness. Enhanced fertility and reproductive health. Their dense antioxidant and nutrient profile may directly improve sperm quality and motility, making them a vital ingredient for male fertility goals. Sustainable energy and muscle recovery. High levels of protein, magnesium, and iron ensure they boost sustained energy, significantly support muscle recovery after workouts, and eliminate chronic fatigue. Better deep sleep. As a natural source of tryptophan and magnesium, they promote deep relaxation and improve overall sleep quality, which is foundational for all hormone production. The amplifiers: honey, lemon, and the essential oil. To maximize the bioavailability and enhance the flavor of this potent tonic, we add 3 final, crucial ingredients. Half a lemon. Squeeze the fresh juice of half a lemon. This blast of vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant and helps your body better absorb the minerals from the pumpkin and seeds. It also helps to alkalize the body, promoting a healthy internal environment. 2 teaspoons of honey. Pure, raw honey provides natural energy and has antimicrobial properties. It acts as a delicious carrier while supporting overall immune function. A teaspoon of vegetable oil. This is a crucial, often overlooked step. A teaspoon of healthy vegetable oil, like olive or coconut, ensures that the fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin A from the pumpkin, are efficiently absorbed maximizing the nutritional impact of your super elixir. This enhances the cellular health benefits. Regular consumption of this pumpkin seed super elixir is a direct pathway to enhanced overall vitality, reproductive health, and optimal physical performance. This recipe is your all-natural, science-backed approach to peak male health. Are you ready to stop guessing and start healing? Friends, please don't let this secret go unnoticed. Subscribe to the channel right now for more groundbreaking natural recipes and longevity secrets. Like this video to help other men discover this prostate-protecting elixir. Write a comment below. What is your biggest hormonal health goal this week? Consult your doctor for medical advice. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional care.